Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to show what you're listening to on YouTube Music as your Discord status. First thing to know, Discord doesn't have a direct connection to YouTube Music built in. So to make this work, we're going to use a lightweight third-party tool that bridges the gap. Start by opening your browser. Chrome tends to work best for this, but other browsers should be fine too. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for an extension called YouTube Discord Presence. Go ahead and install it and make sure it's enabled after installation. Once the extension is installed, click on it. It will take you to a GitHub page where you'll find the helper application you need. On that page, look over to the right side and find the Releases section. Click into it and download the latest version that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. After the download finishes, open the installer and follow the setup steps. It's pretty straightforward. Now, for the fun part. Open YouTube Music in your browser and play any song you like. Wait just a few seconds, then check your Discord profile. You should see your status update automatically to show that you're listening to that track. If you pause the song or close the tab, the status will disappear on its own. No need to manually clear it, and that's it. You're now sharing your YouTube Music activity on Discord. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Catch you in the next one.